Assalamualaikum my peeps, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ever Simply Habiba. Today I'm going to be taking you along a clean with me, declutter with me, self-care with me, because today is my last day of school for the semester and I just want to get my room ready. I want to make better content for my YouTube channel and just make sure I am not stressed out looking around in my room. Like right now it's really messy. And I cleaned it a few weeks ago. It's like I don't know what's going on. How can a room just become dirty again that fast? It's insane. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this content. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share. Bye y'all. Let's begin. I like taking everything out of my closet and then reorganizing it. Obviously the clothes that are hanging, you know, I ain't gonna take that out. My school stuff, like they're all gonna go here because that's my school stuff. And put all my shoes under here so they don't get ruined. I don't know about y'all, but I'll be ruined. It's the only things I like. I like clothes, but I think I like handbags and shoes more. I never used to like handbags until I met my friend. She got me into liking handbags. Ooh, Charlie. Where is a man when I need Just take this out. I don't know where I better put this. But these big things, I'm gonna just that thing I just took out. Saw me struggling taking out, and then this thing I'm gonna put them on the outside storage over there. I can do. I have so many clothes, and then, like when I want to like give it away, then I'm like I get sentimental with the clothes, and I'm like it's just the clothes. I need to let it go. I just need someone to like do the organization for me, because if I'm doing it, I'm not gonna get rid of any clothes. Move y'all in closer. Do you see? Do you see? Ooh la la, pretty. But yeah, it's my outing clothes and stuff like that. Juman, whatnot. And then it's my home clothes. I just feel like, ooh. When you're sweeping, guys, do not forget your baseboard. They get dirty all the time. You gotta sweep it, and if you can, iron it, mop it. Unless you can iron it, I never tried it. How are your fasts going, guys? I hope you guys are staying safe. Yeah, hanging here, I have my prayer clothes, my home prayer clothes, so I don't have to look for my prayer clothes when I need it. I just come here, yank one off. Wallah. Anybody else like being eaten? I love being eaten. That's just me. Guys, yo guys. This is just gonna stay like that. Y'all, Corona ruined my birthday party. My 21st, like I didn't get the opportunity to celebrate my 16th, my 18th, and I was really looking forward to celebrate my 21st birthday. Miss Corona came. It's like, you know, it is whatever. I need to make a list. I need to go get me. I'm making a list, y'all, of things I need to get from storage. Tell me why I got more than I needed. Well, whatever. Okay. Get from storage. That's what I'm going to name it. I need my shoe rack. I need my clothes bin. The big one. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today on the same day, I'm going to the masjid. We're gonna do tarawih at my local mosque. But I'm kind of running late. This is going to do it for 45 minutes, so pray that I get there on time, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I was late, but at least Alhamdulillah, I got in time to make at least 4 rakats ish, maybe 2. And it was so sad. There's like nobody there. It's like so sad, but Alhamdulillah, I feel good that I prayed, and I heard they're going to continue it for the entire month. So Insha'Allah they do, and I will continue it too. And yeah, guys, we'll see. I'm just heading home now. I'll see you guys when I get there. Asalamwalikum, guys. Okay, there. So today the moon looks exquisitely beautiful right now. Like, I know if I try to show you, it ain't gonna do justice, but I'll still try to show you guys. Anyways, I'm home now. I'm gonna go eat my trail mix that I bought along with me and I never ate. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat that. Probably eat something else because I'm hungry, which is surprising because I ate like a whole bowl filled of oatmeal and I ate fruit and I drank 2 water bottles. So it's like, I don't know why I'm hungry, but I'm hungry. But yeah, I'll see you guys inside. Bye. Assalamualaikum. So beautiful. Focus. Do justice. Some form of justice. Whatever. Do you guys like my house slippers? Not, they're not really slippers. They're like shoes, socks, whatever. Anyways, good night, guys. Well, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna watch me an Islamic movie. I got me my popcorn. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with a face mask on, inshallah, because I do not feel like putting on a face mask right now. I just want to watch movie and fall asleep. I'm tired. I didn't even finish cleaning up my room, so y'all gonna just it's gonna be a part 2 to this video, okay guys? It's gonna be a part 2, and then we're gonna get down into business. I got videos every Monday, Friday, and Saturday, inshallah. Monday is non-Islamic related, Friday Islamic related, and Saturday my daily vlogs or weekly vlogs. Still trying to learn how to do weekly vlogs, but I'll just do daily for now on. Alright guys, Asalamwalikum. Thank you so much for watching my video, and watch my other videos too. Yeah, great content. I really hope you guys like those as well, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Asalamwalikum. هيا على الفلاح هيا على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر فقال له إنها لرؤيا حق لا إله إلا الله الحمدلله الذي هدانا لهذا. Man, I love this religion. I love Deen. I love this, that. هيا قصها على مسؤولية.